All right, well, we are now in the official FLG bright colored shirts. We're about to start going out and finding places that need us to help them. So stay tuned for that. All right, we are now riding in the church van. We have all the Ryobi tools and everything back there. That's the other guys in that vehicle, and we are currently headed to Siesta Key. I have a buddy out there, which is our point of contact to be able to get onto the island to start helping people. So we are headed out there. You can see just sand everywhere on the roads from the storm surge.
Hey, we got a 7-Eleven.
Alright, we are currently out on Siesta, cleaning out debris. There's a lot of debris here. Like they got hit pretty hard. Alright, so we are able to salvage a whole bunch more Ryobi 18-volt power tools. They all were underwater. We've got an angle grinder, a jigsaw, some other various stuff. When we get it back to the house, we'll have Morty clean it out and re-lube everything, and it will probably still work. And that'll just be more tools that we're able to use for disaster relief, because Ryobi's awesome. All right, so what are we about to test?
Maintenance, release, adult child, inflatable and oxygen.
So
it's got a charge on it. Where do you pull?
The pull tab right there.
Oh, okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, that's why it expires.
That's why it expires or doesn't survive.
Well, it's been sitting in
or it doesn't survive.
Yeah.
salt water, so I had it not. Maybe it would still work.
Oh, it's got a CO2 charge right there, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how it works. It's got a little puncture.
All right, we just finished the first garage clean out. There's that pile of stuff there, that pile of stuff there, and we put a lot of the tree debris in the neighbor's pile.